Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about articles and how to use them. So, what are articles? Articles are the words which you use before a noun. There are three kinds of articles: a, an, and the. Now, how do you use them? Let's talk about an first. We use an whenever a word or a noun starts with a vowel. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, and U. For example, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an ink pot, etc. Now, when to use the? Well, the can be used for multiple uses. For example, number 1, whenever we talk about something very specific or something very precise, we use the. Let's say I'm saying, can I have the bottle? Can I have the bottle? That means I'm talking about that particular bottle. That's why I'm using the over here. Another example. The man on the street is looking at you. Now over here, I'm talking about one particular man who is right there on the street who's looking at you. So that's why I said the man. The is also used for repetitions. How? For example, let's say I'm telling you a story. Once upon a time, there was an old man who used to live in a jungle. One day, the old man went to a city. Yeah? So in the first line, I said an old man. In the second line, I said the old man. Why so? Because in the first line, I was introducing the man, and in the second line, I was repeating the same noun, which I said in the first line. So, the is also used to avoid the repetitions. Okay? Alright. Now, the can also be used for famous things. For example, the Himalayas. Now, there's only one mountain range which is known as Himalayas, right? That's why I can say the Himalayas. The Eiffel Tower. There's only one Eiffel Tower in the world, which is known by almost everyone. Yeah? And that is why I'm saying the Eiffel Tower. I hope how to use the is clear to you now. Now let's get back to A. When to use a. So whenever a noun is starting with a consonant, what are consonants? Words other than vowels are known as consonants. So whenever a noun is starting with a consonant, we use a in front of it. For example, a chair, a desk, a gate, etc. Okay. Now there's a very important thing which you should know. That is, when I say a and an, let's say a chair and an apple, that means I'm just talking about one thing, not more than one. A and an denote the quantity of one. An apple means one apple. A chair means one chair, not anything more than one. Okay? So, To summarize, we use a with all the nouns which are one in quantity and start with a consonant. We use an with all the nouns which are again single in quantity and start with vowel. We use the when there is repetition, when we are talking of something precise, and when we are also talking about famous things which are known by everyone. So that will be it for today's video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Keep practicing. Thank you.